right, you guys, it's time to check in. Day 2 of my juicing fast, and I absolutely am so happy that I did this. So I feel really good. I woke up this morning, rested. I'm not going through any withdrawal symptoms from food because I did prep ahead of time for my fast. If you have not already, please check out my live on how to prepare for a juice fast so you don't have to deal with all of those crazy symptoms of withdrawals from the food and stuff like that. So if you prepare your body, you'll be okay. So I slept pretty good last night, feeling good, got a lot of energy today. I am a little bit more tired than yesterday, but I know why. It's because I actually did have physical therapy today. So I did exert myself a bit. So that's to be expected. I'm only drinking juice, So that's normal. But like I said, I feel pretty good. So now I'm on to my next 32 ounces. I am drinking today pineapple, spinach, cucumber, beets, apple, and ginger and lemon today. So yum, 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 yum. So I'm excited to let you guys know how things are going tomorrow. I do have a very busy day tomorrow, so I may be a little bit tired tomorrow too, because I have a lot of running around to do tomorrow, but it'll be okay. It'll be okay. So from the 15th to the 21st is how long I'll be doing my juice fast. Well, I don't know. We'll see if I break it on the 21st, but that's the goal, to at least meet there. But yes, you guys, start off or kick jump to the summer, whatever you want to call it, to just feeling better. So join me on this if you can. Join the Queen Alchemy Juicing Challenge, okay? So that's all. I just wanted to check in with you guys real good. Have a good day. Bye.